Shania with contact.xocham. I'm going to be doing a quick lash care video for you and show you how I clean my lashes to make sure that we take care of them so that we can get the full use out of these premium luxury lashes. Okay, so let's begin. So these are my lashes in Taylor, and if you can see, there is a little glue around the band of the lash, and we want to make sure that we clean that off so that we can get a proper wear out of the next pair, out of the next lash application. So what I've done, I'm going to use Q-tips, and these products are actually going to be in our lash care kits. So it comes with 2 Q-tips and 2 spoolies. I also recommend using something like Mist Clear water. The Mist Clear water that I'm using, this is by Tarte, but any Mist Clear water will do, or regular water. Also, alcohol. So I have taken a cotton ball and I have saturated with alcohol. This is isopropyl 91%. Okay, so what I'm going to do is first I'm going to just take my Mist Clear water and I'm just saturating my Q-tip, and I am just going to go around that band and just clean the band. You want to get rid of any debris that may have been on the lash, whether it's makeup or whatever. I'm just going to take that and I clean the band, and now I'm going to go in on the actual lash strip. Okay. Alright, so that looks good, and go in on the other one. So again, we're just cleaning this. I do not recommend using any mascara or any mascara on your lashes. I think for me, honestly, I don't do that because I feel like it messes up the actual shape of the lash. So, you know, if you would like to put mascara on your natural lashes to make sure that it blends more, then you could do that. Okay. All right. So next, I'm going to go in with my alcohol and with the Q-tip, and I'm going to saturate that. And I'm going to go in and get rid of that glue. And so, okay, you just want to get that glue off of that band. Try to be very gentle with it, and it should just lift off very easily, like such. You see? So I'm just taking my fingernails. If you have tweezers, that would be fine as well. And I'm just going to go in and just gently remove that glue from the band, and it comes out perfectly clean like before. So you see, that's a beautiful lash band. So I'm just going to work on this end of it. Okay. And that's perfect. So we're just going to put that here. This is what it looks like now. I'm going to go over to this lash and do the same thing. Okay. Take my alcohol. I'm just going to rub it. And this alcohol, 91%, is going to make this glue less likely to stick. And it should be easier for you to remove the lashes, the glue, or any debris from your lash line. Again, if you don't have long nails, that's fine. Tweezers will do just fine. Okay. All right. And this is what I recommend you doing. I recommend you doing this after every use. That way you maximize the amount of times you actually get to wear these lashes. All right, see, good as new, good as new. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the I'm going to put it back there. That looks wonderful. And so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and just brush these lashes out. And that way, using the spoolie, it just kind of pulls it back to the last shape. So when it dries, it is good as new. Okay. And there you have it, perfectly cleaned lashes. This is Taylor. If you're interested, these can be purchased at glambyxocham.com, or you can stop in store at the XOCHAM Makeup Artistry and Beauty Bar located inside of the Macon Indoor Flea Market. Thank you so much for watching.